So,
walking na po. Aming video ni Papa sa aming fitness goal. Ayan. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye po. See you on next video namin ni Papa together. Couple bonding namin every day. Salamat po. Bye bye.